Sew. To join pieces of cloth using a needle and thread. My mother taught me how to sew. I want to sew a sweater for my kid. Shear. To cut the wool off a sheep. They shear their sheep later than anywhere else. In the winter, you shouldn't shear small sheep. Mow. To cut grass using a machine. It took me 2 hours to mow the lawn. In summer, we mow our lawn once a week. Dissuade. To persuade somebody not to do something. I tried to dissuade him from investing money in stocks without knowledge. His brother tried to dissuade him from fight. Withstand. To be strong enough not to break, give up, be damaged, etc. She tried to withstand the strong wind. The buildings couldn't withstand the earthquake. Bother. To disturb, annoy, or worry somebody. Stop this sound. You are bothering me. Please stop smoking here. It bothers me. Bury. To put something or someone in a hole in the ground. I dug a deep hole to bury the treasure in. He decided to bury his mother in her village. Sting. To prick the skin of a person or animal with a poisonous. If you tease the bees, they will sting you. The sting causes swelling at the point of contact. Chop. To cut something into pieces. He went outside to chop wood for the fire. Chop the vegetables up into small pieces. Dive. To jump into water with your arms and head first. You dive in first and test the temperature of the water. Many dolphins can dive to depths of 200 meters. creep. To move very quietly and carefully so that nobody will notice you. The thief was creeping into the house. Stride. To walk with long steps. The girl walked with a manly stride. In one short stride, he reached the window. Distract. To take somebody's attention away from something. You are distracting me from my work. I was trying to study, but her message distracted me. Quit. To leave a job, etc. Or to go away from a place. No, I don't smoke now. I quit it. She was really stupid to quit her job like that. Stink. Very strong and unpleasant smell. My brother's socks stink a lot. When the dustbin gets full, it stinks a lot. Spin. To make something turn round quickly. The Earth spins around its axis to complete one rotation in 24 hours. When I was child, I used to spin Latu. Upset. To make somebody worry or feel unhappy. My baby gets upset when I leave the room. Naturally, I get upset when things go wrong.